you're applying magnetic gel, sometimes you have to kind of roll the bottle in your hand a little bit because some of the magnetic shards can fall to the bottom and then your polish isn't really magnetic-y, you know? You can just kind of roll it. You don't really want to just shake it all up and get air bubbles in there and stuff, but kind of just want to shake it up just a little bit so you can get some of those shards up in case they fell to the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply that. Those magnetic flakes should be all at the top. This is a beautiful polish, completely worn on its own. I mean, you don't even need the magnet. It looks so great. 5 to 10 seconds. Then you pull away really quickly, just like I did before. Whoop. The reason why you pull the magnet away really quickly so it doesn't mess up the bar at all. You can cure this in the lamp. Obviously, you do not want to cure your gel polish in the lamp before you add your magnet because then it's not going to be like magnet-y. It will be cured. So now that I'm done with my magnetic design, then I'm going to cure it in the lamp. I can't cure it in the lamp. Come back, come back. I gotta do this one. Now I'll cure these in the lamp. You know, up to this point, you're probably wondering, what is this over here? It's a bell! Please subscribe and hit that bell to get notified of when I upload. Shameless plug of the day! Anyways, back to the nails. Okay, I'm going to take number 3 now, that other magnetic polish that came with this collection, which is more silvery. This one's more dark bluey. This one's more silvery. I'm going to take a brush, and I'm just going to make like a little waterfall design coming down from the cuticle, which is a mix of long lines going down and then shorter lines every other line. That makes sense? Kind of need a thin brush to do this. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. It's not cured yet. So I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol on a lint-free pad and I'm just going to wipe it off. Mistake right now, but I'm not editing it out. I'm showing you because I can show you what to do if you grab too big of a brush. I wanted to make some lines coming down from the cuticle down. It's kind of like a water effect, but I grabbed this brush. Oh my gosh, I dropped it. This brush right here, which is just a little too thick for this application because it will look better with thinner lines going down. So let me get a different brush. I do not like how it looks, so I'm going to wipe it off. It is not cured in the lamp, so you can just wipe it off. And sometimes you got to redo things. Not everything's perfect, you know? All right, I got some thinner brushes here and also a toothpick. We'll try that. See if it gives the effect that I want it to give. All right, round 2. All right, that looks better. That's more of what I want. It's also better to apply more pressure at the top than less pressure as you go down so that it will be thicker on top and thinner where it goes down to your nail. It's another kind of more water effect. Let's hit the magnet to it and see what we can do. Look, it makes it more non-existent when I do that. Magnetic glow up here. I think that's very pretty. Okay, I'm going to cure it in the lamp now. All right, I'm going to go ahead and seal these nails in with some top coat. I am filming from the CCS today. I forgot to say that in this whole video of where I was. I'm not in my room, I'm in the CCS. Cat Camper Studio. It is a beautiful day today. Very sunny. It's only about 70 degrees, not super hot. Alright, before I cure this top coat in the lamp, I'm going to turn the nails over. I always say this, just all the time. But I'm going to turn the nails over, even out the gel, because it just pulls just right in the right place, you know? And then I'm going to cure it in the lamp. Absolutely beautiful collection. I love how you get like a different array of different finishes. I really love the magnetic gels they put in here. There is so much that you could do with those magnetic polishes. I didn't even scratch the surface. So let me know if you want a video on how to apply and do different manicures with magnetic gel because it is so fun. You can just experiment. My favorite out of this collection will probably have to be the Gel 6, that dark blue magnetic gel. It is absolutely absolutely stunning. But actually all these colors are beautiful. And I did my own nails with this set. But I just applied blue over my nails. Then I applied a little of that magnetic lighter polish over them. And I think they turned out beautiful. And with the magnetic on my thumbs, I just did a little bar across there. I love this set. They are so pretty. I will link everything down in the description box down below. But for our journey to continue, Ascenders, please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next video.